Well, hello again everybody. It's Tuesday morning and we're still on the site at Lindisfarne, Brockmill Farm CL. And this morning, Nikki's packing up a picnic. I've got the bikes ready and we're going to have a bit of a bike ride into Berwick-upon-Tweed. And we'll be using National Cycle Route 1, I think it is, which goes all along the Northumberland coast. Well, we've decided to have a little stop to have a coffee break. What a cracking spot, and we've even got something to sit on. There's Berwick that we're heading for over there. Time for a coffee, my love? Cheers, my love.
May I have some milk, please?
You want some milk?
Yes, it's in there. Thank you.
All along this part of the coastline there's beautiful large expanses of beach to sit on. Almost no one else around, and yeah, although the weather's a little bit blowy and a little bit chilly, it's absolutely fantastic just to sit here and have a nice cup of tea and perhaps have a little bit of a wander around on the beach and try and take some photos. Quite a lot of the cycle path is on unsurfaced footpaths, but stretches of it are on minor roads like this one. But the path never takes you away from the sea's edge for very long. It is a beautiful route with great views almost all the time. We're nearly to Berwick-on-Tweed. Our first stop was to a bike shop because my puncture repair kit had gone missing. Then we had our picnic down by the quay. Oh, well, that was a nice lunch. We're now going to have a walk through the Sally Port. This turned out to be a tunnely sort of alleyway kind of thing. It's nice, isn't it?
No.
No, you don't like it?
No.
Or you don't like it? We decided to have a little bit of an explore of the town. Neither of us are really town type people, but we did try and give it a shot to see what we could find. We're going to have a bit of a look in the Maltings Art Centre, I think it is. Ah, that wasn't what we thought. That's more of like a theatre sort of place and a little restaurant cafe thing, which we don't need at the moment, so we'll walk on a bit. I'm sure Berwick does have a lot to offer the curious visitor, but we weren't really feeling it. We perhaps didn't really give it much of a chance, but we were more looking forward to the cycle ride back really than enjoying the town. Maybe we'll head back to the bikes by the Riverside Walk and Old Castle Park. I think these are the old town walls, I believe. A little widdly door. I wonder what's behind there. Oh, there's a bit of a viewpoint up here. Well, I think we're... Oh, you all right? I think we're going to walk back to the bikes now and then enjoy the ride back to the campsite. Perhaps stop at one of those nice beaches on the way. And that, folks, is exactly what we did. I am much more at home in a wide open space in the fresh air, like the large open beaches of Northumberland, than in a town, but that's just me. I'm sure if you visit Berwick-upon-Tweed, you'll find lots of lovely things to entertain you, but yeah, I much prefer the beaches.